can see, I'm going to talk about a primer on 3D printing. It is a mind map to summary of film on TED of primer on 3D printing. And first, I'm going to talk about procedure. And you can download product data from the web and personalize it to your preference. Send the information to desktop machine, and the data machine can fabricate it for you on the spot and produce a physical object in front of you by using 3D printers. And it is how it's work. And it's through CAD data to product design create on professional product design program, and data was sent to machine. It slices the data into two-dimensional representations of the product, and it is produced by layer by layer. Data gets passed through the machine, infusing the new layer of material to the old layer in an additive process. And it is easy to use. You can produce things by yourself at home. People are able to access 3D printers with cheap price and easy to produce a very complex product. It is more intricate than any other manufacturing technology. It takes the data of creating a very detailed structure. And then I'm going to talk about the products made by 3D printing. And it can build a 3-meter high structure, and it deposits artificial sandstone layer upon layer, and then in layer of about 5 millimeter to 10 millimeter in thickness. And it can produce microstructure, depositing layer of about 4 microns. And the size of 3D printers products can be big, 3 to 4 meter high, and small enough to sit on the desktop. And it is cheap, about $300 US. Then I'm going to talk about our group work on 3D printing. First, I'm responsible for the original parts. In the early 1980s, Chen Hao produced first 3D printers, and it can print out objects in your mind. It uses UV light to each plastic layer. And in middle 1980s, it evolved into working products. Hundreds of thousands of dollars caused by one 3D printers. And now the 3D printer is much more cheaper. And it only costs $100 to $299 US. And so anybody can make anything anywhere. Then is a material to produce 3D printers products. And the material include metals, human cells, edible materials, oil refined materials. And then metal includes steel, aluminum, and titanium alone. And edible materials is granulate sugar. Oil refined material include plastic, neon, rubber. Then the procedure to produce 3D printings. First, you can use 3D scanner or use CAD data and to convert to STL and transfer to AM machine. And machine step up and then build, removal, post-processing, and applications. And then product include human organ, quadrilateral legal guns, and user products, engine parts, manufacturing prototype. And then it is my 3D printing group work.